This is our fancy beeper. It could match types of energizer. It can be used on electricity fans, contain steel wire, poly wire, and poly tape. You no need to contact the fence wire. Just press button and hold it near the fence. It will make a sound and the light will flash. If the fence has electric, the walking distance is about 20 centimeters close to fence. It requires 3-volt button battery. So when you use it, you need to open the outer case and put the battery in it. Remember, this face should be above. Press button.